Today, we will learn about a website called BeFunky. It is an innovative, web-based photo editing tool that allows you to easily create photographically rich and fantastic digital photos without the need for any technical knowledge. BeFunky consists of 3 tools: a photo editor, a collage maker, and a designer. With the whole set of adjustments that help in rendering photographs, BeFunky forms a neat and a seamless experience. So let's find out how easier, straightforward, and fun is BeFunky to use. To visit the website, type befunky.com in the address box and press enter. An attractive and colorful homepage is displayed. There are 3 tabs: Photo Editor, Collage Maker, and Designer. In line with these tabs, there is a menu icon. When you move the cursor over it, several options are displayed in the drop-down menu. The home page is divided into 2 sections. In the Inspiration section, you can find and search for all the tutorials, tips, and tricks that will help you grasp the various aspects of BeFunky thoroughly. While in the Create section, you can read the brief description of the various features in Photo Editor, Collage Maker, and Designer. Now let's learn to create an account on this website. By creating an account in BeFunky, you can share, link, save photos, as well as avail an opportunity to upgrade to BeFunky Plus. So, from the drop-down menu, click Sign Up. You can sign up using Facebook or Google account. If you want to sign up using a different account, then fill in the details in the given boxes and click Create Your Account. Say you want to sign up using Google account. Then click Google. In the pop-up window, enter your Google account details and sign in. When asked for permission, simply click Allow. You can get signed in and your account is created. To log out from your account, simply click Sign Out. Let's look into some other options from the drop-down menu. To begin with, click Explore. Under this option, you can view as well as search the edited images from other users. Suppose you want to search for sunset images. In the search box, type sunset and press enter. The search results are displayed. If you like any one of the images, click on it. In the pop-up window, you can view the user's name as well as the number of likes and comments on that image. The option to share the image on the social media platforms is available as well. If you want to view the other images uploaded by the same user, then click on the user name. Now let's explore the Support option. From the drop-down menu, click Support. Under this option, answers to most of your questions are available in different sections. You can also search the answers for your questions by typing the keyword in the search box. Assume you want answers related to your BeFunky account. Just type the word account in the search box and press enter. A list matching your results will be displayed. Click on the suitable question. If you don't get answers to your questions, then click Submit Ticket. Fill in the necessary details and click Submit. If you wish to get in touch with BeFunky team, then click Contact.